everyone, let's be alive.
I was really nervous about it, but it has been amazing. Thanks to the whole team, and all I can say is that I'm sorry that I just didn't join it and do it earlier. It's been amazing. Thank you.
It was a wonderful experience. It was my first time in the desert, and when I came here I was like a little bit nervous, but when it started I can't express with the words. Thank you Torque Converter for this.
That was wicked. I was really nervous this morning. I was super anxious when we got started. I wasn't sure about my car, I wasn't sure about me, and there was just enough care and communication from the team to make me feel confident, and then we're just going, and it's not too slow, it's not patronizing in any way, it's just the right amount, and I feel like I can come on a real cruise now, so thank you guys.
Hi, my name is Susanna. Today is my first time doing this off-roading here with Torque Converter, and I really enjoyed the experience. Met a lot of ladies who share the same passion as me, and it was really nice. Felt very safe because even I got stuck once, but they came right there within a minute and pulled me out, and I was back on the convoy. And really exciting, and I'm looking forward to the next one already.
Today we have ladies only drive, and I'm happy for all of these women. I hope, girls, that you will join our club and you will have this passion that I have.
Today morning when I was getting the car ready and myself ready, I had butterflies in my stomach. Still I was unsure of should I go or no, but I thought let me just go, and it's been amazing experience. Thank you. Thank you for the organizers for organizing this. We're looking forward for joining the club or whatever. Yeah, thank you.
This is Ruthie Jenna here. Thank you very much for the organisers of the this workshop and practical experience. It's always good to be with like-minded people. We enjoyed the drive a lot, and looking forward to the next one.
I wasn't really sure about how capable my car is, and I can do all of this. I've done couple of times dune bashing, and it was never scary for me. Today I did it myself. I loved it. I think this is something I would like to do more and more, and it was very exciting, and I think I would be really willing to do more and more of this. And thank you for the organizers. We felt so safe because we had two cars driving here, driving there, and it was I got stuck at a point and they were there right on time. So it was amazing, and hats off to you guys for organizing. Thank you.